Tonight we're at Kernge, a congee and noodle shop. If you see old floor tiles like this, you know it's good. They have 2 cozy sections. And best of all, they have seats outside as well, right on the sidewalk. Their kitchen is here too. But I still need love 'cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave. First of all, we got some chrysanthemum tea. This is my buddy, Pharrell. First dish, drunken wings.
自己試先。哦。啲酒味真係唔錯。
The intense rice wine gives off a flavorful aroma. Super tender and super juicy. Did I mention it's a cold dish? Prepping some hot chili oil and hot sauce for the next dish. This is the shredded duck stir-fried noodles. Intense wok hei in every bite. Combined with the hot stuff, and it's magical. And then we have the squid and beef stir-fry noodles. This dish is perfect. Noodles are al dente, the beef is tender, and you can taste the sea from the squid. Okay, not really the sea, but yeah. No, it's not a good look, and some self-control. And Peter came and joined us only because we couldn't finish.
食唔到呢個味真係冇啊！揾唔到呢間真係一定食強嘅。
有少誇張嗬？試下食雞。
醉雞翼呢個唔係隻雞，呢個叫醉雞翼。
醉雞翼。
好香嘅酒味。哇！個嫩嘅程度啱啱好。
屌你咩考？
都唔夠亂啦！
我而家唔係做馬喎，兄弟。好似上高潮咁啊你！
我啲醉雞。
Hey, 老闆，皮蛋瘦肉粥。And finally, we got the preserved egg with pork congee. Wow, yeah. Silky smooth hot congee always hits the spot.
升埋佢先，一滴不漏。
清晒，埋單幾多錢啊
202。
Everything for only $25. This place is open from 6 p.m. till 2 a.m.